This time out on the Rusty Pilot, we dodged some deer on a takeoff at a small field. Right along.
Day 2 of Project Uncontrolled. We're going to get out and go to a whole bunch of airports today.
We head out of Mount Ida. We leave the Grumman and the Citation on the ramp and head over to Waldron, Arkansas. But before we get out of here, let's take off. We're still playing around with the Max 360 and some editing tools. We taxied to the end here at Mount Ida and took off with the smaller stand of trees back out to the east here. And we'll start out with a little bit of the camera inside, and as we rotate, we'll switch back over to the Max 360. As I play around and learn a little bit more with the cameras, trying to get a little better with the editing on these short videos. There's not much at Waldron, Arkansas, so I've included the takeoff here. Enjoy. Here we are turning on the final for Waldron, Arkansas. A lot easier airport to get in and out of than the other ones we've been in and out of today on this trip. No real stand of trees. The mountains are further set back off of the runway. Not a lot to see. There's no FBO. There is one older gentleman that has a plane on the field that will usually come out to meet you. We were hoping that he would be there where we could at least talk to him and include the footage. But we just circle the ramp and head right back out. But get ready for the adventure on the way back out. Like most of the small airports, there's way more hangars than you would think. Again, there's only one active airplane on the airport. There's an older gentleman that'll generally come out to meet you. We don't even bother killing the plane, and we get ready to go back out. I hesitated to even make a video on it, but here at the end of the runway, we're about to run into a whole herd of deer as we're taking off, and not overly eventful, but damn sure could have been. Naturally, there's nobody around, and we taxi up and get ready to go here, and as we start, just off the left-hand side, you'll see the deer start coming across. There was a lot of sun on the camera where I had the filters on, but still couldn't get it all out. And there's about 6 or 8 that come across here. Luckily, Joshua saw them and yelled up at me to pull the power, and we got stopped. If we'd have been, 15, 20 more miles an hour faster, we would have been a big lawnmower running through those deer. But it was uneventful, thank God. We made sure they were all across, and we continued on with our day of patrolling all the uncontrolled airports in the state of Arkansas. Until next time.